Hello and welcome to our video. My name is John Watts. I'm a consumer protection attorney in Alabama. Here's a question we'll look at. I want to file my own answer in the small claims debt collection lawsuit filed against me in Alabama. How do I fill out the form? And what this person is talking about is when you're served with a small claims lawsuit in Alabama, you should get a form answer for you to fill out. And that form answer will have 4 boxes on it, A, B, C, D. Now, I can't tell you what to put, but I can walk you through this if we're talking about a debt collector or a debt buyer has sued you. So this is somebody who claims to own the debt. Now, believe it or not, sometimes people don't tell the truth. They claim something that's not true. So box A says, hey, you sued me in the wrong county. I actually live in blank county. Well, if that's the situation, then you may want to check that box and put that in there. Box B says, hey, I agree, I owe the plaintiff everything they're suing me for. And it will warn you typically that there'll be a judgment entered. Now, I would just question how you would know that some debt buyer who claims to have secretly bought your debt, how you know that you owe them this amount of money. Now, if you do, then that's fine. You make your own decision on that. Box C says, well, I owe some but not all. Again, I would question, just to have you think this through, how do I know that Midland Funding or LVNV or CACH or Asset Acceptance or whoever it is, how do I know that they really own this debt? Now, if you don't know that, then you would check box D. And here's what a lot of people put. You can put whatever you want, but a lot of people put, I don't owe the plaintiff, that's the one that sued you, any money. And if you feel like statute of limitations has expired, you put that in. Now, what do you do after you fill that out? Well, then there's a place for you to sign it, so you would sign it. And then I would suggest scanning it or making copies of it because you want your original and about 2 copies. Well, what do you do with those? Well, you send a copy to the collection lawyer. You mail it to him because the lawyer's entitled to see what you're filing in court. And then you take the original to the courthouse. You go to what's called the clerk's office. And when you walk in the courthouse, you can just say, hey, I was sued in a small claims case. I have my answer. Where do I take this? And they'll tell you where to go. And they'll take that original, stick it in a little machine that'll put a date and time stamp on it, and then they'll stick it in the actual case folder. But then you ask them if they'll do the same thing with the extra copy you have. And they're always very nice about this. They'll stick it in a little machine. It'll date and time stamp it. That's your proof that you have filed your answer. Because what if the court accidentally puts your answer in the wrong case file? Well, you want to be able to say, well, look, here's what I brought to the courthouse on this day and time and see you guys stamped it for them. And then scan in your stamp file copy. And a lot of times what I will recommend people do is then email it to yourself, particularly if you have like a Gmail account, Yahoo account, or put it on Dropbox or Google Drive, put it up in the cloud somewhere. So you have a physical copy, you have a copy on your computer, and you have a copy in the cloud. Now there are some other steps, particularly as you get ready for trial. You're welcome to call us at 205-879-2447. We'll walk you through how to get ready for trial. So I hope this is helpful. Again, if you have any questions, give us a call, 205-879-2447, or you can reach us through our website, alabamaconsumer.com. Thanks for watching this and have a great day. Bye-bye.